Hi, my name is Bree Clark, and today I'm going to show you how to make a border out of a picture in Microsoft Word. Sometimes you want to jazz up your documents a little bit with some art. So I'm going to show you how to add a page border that will do just that. In this new blank document, I'm going to start by going to the Design tab. And here, under Page Background, I'll click Page Borders. Notice under Page Borders that I could do a standard box border, or I have an option for art. When I click the Art drop-down list, I see a lot of different options for pictures. So I'm going to choose these hearts, make sure they apply to the whole document, and click OK. And now I have a page border with pictures of hearts. My name is Bree Clark, and that's how you can add a border with pictures in Microsoft Word.